This is a portfolio update on my managed portfolio where I have done zero effort and zero work, and the results are pretty good. Hi, this is Mosh. I'm an amateur trader and investor, and anything I learn, I teach you guys. I'm going to show you my full managed portfolio and also how you can get £50 completely free. Just make sure you watch till the end. If you guys didn't also know, I'm actually a scientist. I'm a physicist to be specific. And I have been experimenting around with the stock market and different ways to play the stock market. So I have been using a managed portfolio since March 2020. What that does, it reduces my risk exposure because, as you've probably seen from my previous videos, I'm quite an aggressive trader and investor, so overall reduces my risk. So first of all, what is a managed portfolio and who is it for? A managed portfolio is where professionals are doing the buying and selling, and all you're doing is putting in the money, and they'll do the buying and selling based on data, research and expertise. So basically you do nothing, you do zero work, zero research. It saves a lot on time. And really, a managed portfolio is for those people that know nothing about the stock market or don't have the time to do all that research. I use a company called InvestEngine. These are the key points why I use them. Firstly, they have a very low fee for a managed portfolio. It's 0.25%. That's basically 25 pence for every £100 you invest. And think about it, that's for them doing all the work and you doing zero work. Secondly, they invest in ETFs. An ETF is exchange traded fund. What it is, it's a basket of shares. Now that massively reduces your risk because investing in single stocks, they can move up 5-10% or go down 5-10% in a day. Whereas ETFs, it's a large group of companies. For example, the S&P 500 is the top 500 companies in the US. So you get a certain slice of the 500 companies. It'll be a very small percentage, but you're exposed to all 500 companies. They also do something really cool, which is called rebalancing. They automatically buy and sell the ETFs that you hold based on your risk. So when you first sign up with InvestEngine, they ask you a load of questions because that will determine what type of investor you are. If you're more income minded or if you're more growth minded, and they'll determine a risk based on that. Lastly, is InvestEngine legit? I'm always very wary about new companies that come up, that email me or that I find. I have actually been in contact with InvestEngine, and I've actually had a video call with the management team just to find out a bit more about the company and ask certain questions. And I've been using them since March 2020 and nothing has gone wrong since. Now, if you don't want to pay the managed fee, which is ridiculously low anyway, they actually have a do-it-yourself zero fee portfolio maker where you can invest yourself in ETFs and determine your own portfolio. So let's jump into the portfolio and see how it has done. Okay, as you can see, it's a growth type portfolio because I'm still fairly young, whereas if I was older, I'd make sure the risk is massively reduced. So if we click into it, wow, you can see it's up 8.44%. And I first went in, if we look at the date, 19th of March 2020. So from 19th of March 2020 till now, which is the 1st of November, it's up 8.44%. Bear in mind, I've done zero work, zero research, zero effort. Now, if you compare it to your bank saving account where they're offering you less than 1%, they're basically stealing your money because inflation is much higher than 1%. So leaving a savings account, you're actually losing money. Now, another thing that's quite cool is you can actually go into the allocation so you can see exactly what InvestEngine has put your money into, what ETFs. Just bear in mind, even though it's up 8.44%, I need to mention that your capital is always at risk when investing in the stock market. So it can potentially go down. Now, you can see 85.8% is in equities, it's in stocks. Okay, I've got 8.5% in bonds and I've got 4.8% in alternatives, for example, iShares physical gold. And you can see the type of companies they've invested in me because I said I wanted a growth portfolio. So the Russell 2000, so the small US companies, the S&P 500, the top 500 companies, all world small cap companies, so the small upcoming companies around the world, the Nikkei 225, so the Japanese, the top 225 Japanese companies. I also got an email from InvestEngine on the 21st September this year where they have rebalanced my portfolio. So what they've done is they've bought and sold certain things, and they tell you exactly what they bought and sold. So you can see here, this is a summary of the changes they've made. So I've done zero work, remember, and you can see what they've bought and what they've sold. Their aim is not to beat the market, it's to be the market. One great thing with InvestEngine is, as I've spoken to them and I'm on good terms with the company, if you sign up using my link in the description box below, they will give you £50 as a welcome bonus completely free. All you have to do is invest a minimum of £100 into them, and just keep in mind you have to keep the £100 in there for a minimum of 12 months, or you have to give them the welcome bonus back. And like I said to you guys, I think it's a great thing. I'm up 8.44% for doing zero work. Don't actually think too much on the actual amount I've made. Look at the percentage. Because I'm a trader and quite an aggressive investor, and I do all of that stuff on my trading 2-on-2 account. So whatever I put in, I could have put £1 million in and I'll still be up 8.44%. They also have projections. This is the trajectory of my investment based on me investing £50 a month from now. And you can see at the end, the best case scenario is I'll have over £17,000. A good case scenario is between 13 to 17. Expected is between 8,900 to 13,000. The poor standard is 6,800 to 8,000. And the worst case is under 6,000. And the contributions that would have made based on £50 a month would be £6,114. So if you go to the middle band, invest in £6,000, I could reasonably expect £13,000 based on the data. So remember, if you're interested in InvestEngine, definitely go claim your £50 welcome bonus by using my link below.